everyone. Welcome back to Tempcoder Tech. I'm Mike, and today we're continuing our MariaDB series. In our last video, we learned how to install MariaDB. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial topic, user management. We'll cover how to create users, grant permissions. So, let's get started. First, let's log into MariaDB. You can do this using the command line tool. Open your terminal and type. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Now, let's create a new database. It's easy. Just use the create database command. Make sure to replace Tempweb with your preferred database name. Next up, creating users. We'll use the create user command. Replace Tempweb user with your username and password with a strong password. Strong passwords help protect your database, user accounts, and sensitive data from unauthorized access. They act as the first line of defense against potential attackers. Now, the exciting part, granting permissions. You can use the grant statement to specify what the user can do. Let's grant all privileges on our newly created database. In MariaDB, you can grant various privileges to a user to control their access and actions within the database. So, how do we list all users in MariaDB? It's not as straightforward as using a show users command, but it's still pretty simple. We'll use SQL to query the mysql.user table, which stores user information. Here's the SQL command. Before we wrap up, let's test our users' access to the database to make sure everything works as expected. Try executing some SQL commands with the user you've created. In MariaDB, you can use the show command with the grants option to view a list of all users and their associated privileges. Here's how you can do it. That's it for today's tutorial on MariaDB user management. We've covered creating databases, users, granting, and even testing user access. This is essential knowledge for anyone working with databases. Remember, you can find more details on this topic on our blog, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to Tempcoder Tech for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!